It's a 2012 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. It comes with great features you'll love: external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend writes, "Thanks to the Enclave, Buick has re-justified its existence." In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.